Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing a breakfast smash burger. Oh hell yeah, on the Blackstone. Check this out. You're gonna love it. It's gonna fill you up and give you energy all day. So damn hot. Look at it. Got nailed with snow today. Lightly toasted brioche bun. Try to clean as you go, boy. Oh, quick cook. Real quick cook. Bake. Hash browns. Patty. More bacon. One more patty. Sunny side up egg. Now the magic. My son wanted me to use his. This is from Uncle Steve for his birthday. Gator shake on your eggs. And you guessed it, more bacon. Oh. Cheers, folks. We're going to cut into this in a minute. and I'll be right back. Check this out. So folks, the world's crazy, we all know. Things were looking a lot better in the stores though. Let me tell you what, I was able to grab all this today, no problem. We did have a giant snowstorm, so we haven't had snow all month, and we got dumped on in like 2 hours over a foot of snow. So the store was dead. Oh yeah. Brioche bun. Awesome breakfast smash burger. If the world's gonna end, I'm going out eating real good, right? Right. Oh. Wow. My mouth does not open very far. We're going to try this. Oof. It's a messy one, so eat over a plate or a shanty pad. Oh, man. Oh. Shop towels. You can still get these. Best paper towel you ever get. Oh, man. Ooh. Do it. Jax, that's your line. Sorry, my bad. You know, it's the very first time I've ever put an egg out of a cheeseburger. Any kind of burger. I always thought, nah, it is what it is. I didn't think it would be that good. Pleasantly shocked and wrong. This is rocking. And those hash browns, I'll crisp them up in some of that bacon fat. Oh, you can't beat this. Messy son of a gun. Let me tell you that. That is phenomenal. That's why they make forks and plates and napkins or paper towels or just a plain old towel, old dirty t-shirt, whatever. Alright folks, wash your damn hands, eat good grub, stay safe, we'll make it through this. Cheers. And subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below. Hit the thumbs up and smash that dinner bell because that's what time it is.